we have our shade annuals.
Ah, shade.
People who have just shady gardens. And now, just remember, if it's too deep a shade, they're not going to bloom much. So, you know, you might want to thin your trees or do something to put them in a little bit more sun.
Okay.
First of that is caladiums. Probably give you a big color splash for a shady area. You can only find them in the springtime for the summer plantings. They will get up to 24 inches tall. So keep space for them.
Yeah, you're going to need space.
And just watch, all of these annuals don't do well with wet root systems. So if you have irrigation systems, just be careful. Lobelia is another one that does well. Very prolific blue and white shades, cascading blooms, does good in containers. But this is also one of those that's better for cooler climates. It'll bloom all summer long. Torenia, wishbone plant, another one. Small, very different color combinations. Usually bicolor flowers, not one solid color, but there are some vining ones that are solid. It is only going to be about 8 inches tall, so they're not going to be big, but they'll be something bright in the shady landscape.
Okay. Wishbone?
Wishbone plant, yeah. Yeah, it's the shape of the flower.
Oh, shape of the flower, okay.
Another one, New Guinea impatiens. Very bright colors for the shade garden. 12 to 24 inches tall. They've got some different varieties of them, so they get different heights. The only thing is, especially the taller ones, you got to watch. They might be breaking up in storms at the end of the season. So, you know, if you can trim them a little bit during the year and keep them, you know, under 12 feet, that would be great. The beacon or the bounce impatiens have taken over the regular annual impatient because of downy mildew. But the beacon and the bounce are more resistant to the downy mildew. They come in bright colors and they all get about 12 inches tall. But again, because of the downy mildew, I wouldn't plant impatiens in the same spot every year.